Hey viewers! Today we are going to show you how we create our Turtle Dude StencilEye. This design is a real crowd pleaser. If there's an assistant available, they can help hold the stencil for you. This makes it easy and hands-free. Or, if the kid is old enough, they can hold it for you themselves. We are going to start by creating a light white outline on the dots, which we will come back to later. You don't need to color it in all the way, just the edges to create a little coloring book effect. Now we are going to color in the mask. Pick any color you want. We chose to go with Michelangelo. ProAiir is safe to go over the eyes, and we make sure to use a gentle air pressure. Now we are going to outline the mask in black. Make sure to hold down all the edges well to prevent fuzzy lines. Notice my hand is in a C shape as I spray. C is for control. This helps you control the stencil and it creates a small area to spray through. Here is where those white outlines come in handy. Just like a coloring book, color in the lines. White helps make the colors bright on tan skin. Now we're going to add a pop of color. Here comes some green. Now we're going to realign the stencil back on the face so we can add more detail work. We're going to add a little bit of electric blue here for some contrast and color. Now we're going to outline in black to create some depth in our piece. Add some small dots of white for highlights. Last is the big reveal. Cowabunga, dude! Now I think it's time we have to treat him to some pizza. Thanks for watching!